A ball is projected from the ground with a velocity v, making an angle theta to the vertical. On its path, it makes an elastic collision with the vertical wall and returns to the ground. So suppose, let us say that the ball is projected initially along this direction, making an angle theta with the vertical. Okay, that is, it makes an angle 90 minus theta with the horizontal. Okay, so in this case, okay, it makes an elastic collision with the wall. Okay, if the collision is perfectly elastic, it means that the ball will return with the same horizontal velocity. If the horizontal velocity, it will be equal to u cos 90 minus theta, and the vertical velocity will be equal to u sin 90 minus theta. So basically the horizontal velocity will remain same and the vertical velocity will experience the same acceleration, that is g. Okay, that is in the vertically downward direction. So the time period will not change, the time period or the time of flight will not change over here. It will be equal to 2u sin theta. In this case, it will be sin 90 minus theta into g divided by g. So basically it will be equal to 2u cos theta divided by g. Okay, or 2v cos theta divided by g, which is option number B.